Here I have Suzuki Vitara and let me show you how to enable Show Travel Log on the following car. Let's begin. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Infotainment system. Then let's find here and select the gear icon, so let's tap the gear icon to open the settings. Now if you have access to all settings of your Suzuki, let's use the left tab to choose here the map, so the third option from the left. Then, as you can see, you can enable here Show Travel Log. All you need to do is use this toggle to enable the travel log. So this is like a breadcrumb trail. When there is on the map, we will draw a faint line behind your car showing exactly where you have driven during your current session. It is very useful if you are exploring and want to find your way back to a starting point without a set destination. So it can be quite useful, as I said, so in my case, let me leave it enabled. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.